Unleash ultimate destruction in Minecraft by forging the legendary Sharpness 255 sword. This sword is not obtained through normal gameplay, but through the ingenious use of commands which open up a whole new level of power. To begin, you'll need to access the command console for Java Edition. This is usually done by pressing the T key. Now, carefully type the following command: give at s_diamond_sword enchantments at sharpness. LVL to 55. This tells the game to give you a diamond sword with the sharpness enchantment applied at an astonishing level of 255. Remember, case sensitivity is key for this command to work correctly. Press enter, and just like that, you'll see a magnificent diamond sword appear in your inventory. Notice the intense glow and the distinct visual indication of its enhanced power. Now, let's see this beast in action. Observe the sheer devastation. A single swing of this sword will obliterate even the toughest of enemies, making short work of any mob or challenge you throw at it. From creepers to the ender dragon, nothing stands a chance. Equip your Sharpness 255 sword and venture into the deepest, darkest caves or the most treacherous fortresses. With this weapon, exploration becomes an exercise in pure dominance, and victory is virtually guaranteed. Mastering this command grants you access to unparalleled combat strength. Go forth and conquer the world of Minecraft with the ultimate Sharpness 255 sword.